Annyeong everyone! Today we're making Doji Kimchi Gui, stir-fried pork with kimchi. This dish hits a perfect balance of spicy, tangy, savory, and just a little bit of sweetness. It's quick, bold, and a perfect way to revive leftover kimchi that's been sitting in the fridge. If you've got 15 minutes to spare, this one's for you. Let's get into it. Let's start with the pork. I'm using 450 grams or about a pound of pork shoulder. You can also use pork belly or neck. Just make sure the cut has a bit of fat. Chop the pork into bite-sized pieces so it cooks quickly and evenly. For the kimchi, prepare about a cup, but do not include the juice. We want it to fry, not stew. Also, if you've got uncut kimchi, chop them into similar shape and size as the pork. We're also adding 1 onion, which brings natural sweetness to balance the tang of the kimchi. Slice it into pieces similar in size and shape to the pork for even cooking and a clean presentation. Before we start cooking, mix up the sauce. 1 tablespoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of green chili powder, and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Stir everything together and set it aside. We'll add it later. Heat a little oil in a pan over medium-high heat. Add the pork and cook it like you're grilling. Let it brown slightly and render some of the fat. Once that happens, push the pork to one side. Turn the heat up to high, and in the remaining oil add the kimchi. Frying kimchi in hot oil builds aroma, deepens its flavor, and takes the edge off the sourness. You'll notice the color start to shift from bright red to a more golden orange tone. Then add the onions. Stir everything together until it's about halfway softened and evenly mixed. Next, pour in the sauce and toss to coat everything well. Keep cooking until the pan looks glossy and slightly dry. If you scratch the center of the pan with the spatula and it creates a clean path without a sauce running back in, that's your cue. It's done. And this is it. Quick, spicy stir-fried pork with kimchi. It's bold, fast, and the best way to use up kimchi that's gone a little too far. Grab a bowl of rice and you're all set. All the ingredients and steps are listed in the description below, so check that out when you're ready to cook. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.